So, Dan, there's a lot of talk about IDP. Can you define the acronym and explain what that is, please?
Yeah, it stands for Internal Developer Platform. Now, there's no real clear definition. Like, I think the company is Humanitech. They created the platform engineering Slack channel that everybody uses. They're the main company behind Platform Con, and they would define it as the sum of all tech that a platform and engineering team binds together to pave golden path for developers. But I would add to that, in a cloud native environment, you absolutely have to give the golden path for developers, but you need to add one for the ops team as well. And so I would define it as a full SDL or software development lifecycle platform that easily enables, like you said earlier, devs to dev and ops to op for both applications and infrastructure, meaning like from the moment of code commit to a production deployment. And that IDP needs to be able to do that in a consistent, declarative, and a secure manner.
Got it. Wonderful. Well, why is an IDP required for platform engineering? Is it, and why?
Well, yeah, it is required. I kind of mentioned it earlier in the introduction that without one, you're left to either having some people who have unicorn type skills and they come up with, their own ways to manage your ecosystem. And so if they leave the company, you have that, it goes out the door with them. Or you have a manual process, which is where a lot of folks, how they're managing their cloud native today, where they're using what's called a push model, where somebody literally logs into a cluster and does like a kubectl apply, and that's just dangerous. And so without that, if you have a true IDP, it would be automated for you. And we'll talk a little bit about that, where you would implement more of a pull model where the platform is monitoring the live status of both the software and the infrastructure, and it will compare it to a declarative source and make sure that whatever you declare is what's actually happening in a live production. So without that, it's kind of a free-for-all.
Great answer. Love it. Thanks.